Strategic vision begins with silence. We are witnessing the evolution of the modern law firm. The world of law is facing an unprecedented transformation. Traditional models are no longer enough. Many law firms are realizing something important. Their clients don't just need legal documents. They need strategic advice that connects law, tax, business, and philanthropy. As clients' needs become more complex, traditional models are failing to keep pace with the modern world. The intersection of legal precision and strategic philanthropy is the new frontier for the industry, a transformation that goes far beyond traditional legal boundaries. There is a fundamental market shift happening right now. High net worth individuals and business owners are increasingly asking about one key area is tax planning. This includes comprehensive asset protection. This includes strategic areas like foundations. Innovative nonprofit initiatives are key. It requires a deep understanding of both financial structures and the social impact they create. These areas are growing rapidly because they provide both financial and social benefits. This shift represents a massive world of new opportunity. Law firms that offer these services create entirely new advisory revenue streams. Let's look at a specific example. A firm may help a client structure a nonprofit education program, such as a major foundation initiative, a grant-funded training program. These initiatives create new legal work while strengthening the client relationship. Firms that ignore this shift risk becoming irrelevant in a rapidly changing and demanding marketplace. But those who embrace it are unlocking new levels of client trust and high-value advisory services. But most firms are currently stuck within a strategic gap. Many lawyers never receive training in nonprofit strategy. They lack expertise in foundation planning, navigating complex grant funding ecosystems, including an integrated tax strategy. As a result, they refer these opportunities elsewhere. The gap in expertise is real. This is not just about expanding services. It's about redefining the very purpose of the law firm. A firm that stands for more than just paperwork stands for a vision of a more integrated future. The path forward is built on discipline, strategic thinking, and the collective courage to evolve. Fortunately, there is now a structured solution available. Law Firm in a Box gives firms a structured way to expand. Law Firm in a Box provides step-by-step training and AI-assisted research tools, grant ecosystem insights, and strategic frameworks. This allows law firms to confidently offer high-value advisory services. Every client interaction is an opportunity to provide deeper, more strategic, and meaningful advice. With the right tools and the right mindset, any firm can lead this new era of professional services. It begins with the confidence to look beyond the billable hour and into the heart of strategy. Embrace the evolution and lead the future of law. The legal profession is evolving. Firms that expand beyond traditional legal work will lead the next generation of legal services. The future of law is here. The next generation of legal work will be defined by those who see the bigger picture today. It's time to build something that lasts, something that matters, something that truly serves. The future is not a destination, but a strategic choice we make every single day. Visit lawfirminabox.com to explore how your firm can integrate nonprofit and tax strategy consulting.